Something that we're often required to do is to list the integer valued coordinates within the unshaded region. Remember that integer means whole number, so we're after coordinates of points where both the x and y value are whole numbers. Here we have a region. Let's look at the boundaries of the region. This is the line x equals 1, and it's a solid line. The inequality must be x is greater than or equal to 1, since our region is to the right of this line. Let's look at this line. Y is equal to -1, and it's a dashed line. Our region is above the line, so the inequality is y is greater than -1. Greater than means the -1 itself is not included. Finally, let's look at this line. It's a solid line. Our region is below the line. If we want to know the inequality, let's test a point below the line. I'm testing the point 2, -2. So x is 2 and y is -2. X plus y is going to be 2, since x is 2, plus -2, since y is -2, which is 0, and that's less than 4. So our region is inside the inequality x plus y is less than or equal to 4. Less than or equal to, remember, since we had a solid line. So let's look at the region. The points I'm crossing here will not be in the region, and the reason for that is that they lie on the dashed line. We know the dashed line represents y is greater than -1, and -1 itself is not included. All of the points I've crossed have y coordinate -1, so we do not include these points. Remember, a dashed line means the points on it are not included. This point here is included as being in the region. It lies on a solid line. Points on solid lines are in the region unless they also lie on a dashed line, such as the point 1, -1, where the pen is pointing at this moment. Therefore, this point is in, this point is in, this one, this one, this one, and this one, this point, and finally this one. We need to list these points. We can see 1, 0. 1, 1 is also in the region. This point here is 1, 2. And this one here is 1, 3. This point here is 2, 0. 2, 1 is in the region, as is 2, 2. We can see 3, 0 and 3, 1, and finally 4, 0. We now have a list of the integer valued coordinates within the unshaded region. Note, for every single one of them, both x and y are whole numbers. That means they are integer-valued coordinates. Integer means whole number. So an integer-valued coordinate is one where both the x and y values are whole numbers.